Hey everybody, this is my little introduction for the 24-hour build. This is the 14th annual. It is hosted on Facebook. Just showing the kit I started. Give you guys a little rundown of what comes in the kit. So this time I'm going to do the Monogram Black Widow Hot Rod. It's a simple kit. That's kind of what I was looking for the 24-hour build. Nothing too complex, not a whole lot of parts. I think this one has 55 parts in it. It's not a snap-on either, so it should give me enough detail to look pretty cool when I'm done. So this is the box. But as you can see, number of parts, 55. Molded in multiple colors. Pretty cool kit. Typical Monogram kit. So here's the contents in the box. First tree, it's just all the white. So in this tree here you have the seat, the roof, tonneau cover, dash, steering wheel. Don't know what that is quite yet. And it looks like the spot where the pedals are. So it looks like the pedals there. Got one chrome tree. It's a nice shiny chrome. A little bit of a defect on that. So you got the full moon eyes on there. Unfortunately, since that one's messed up with, I don't know, it might just be a little bit of plastic to it. Don't look too bad. I might not have to strip any of these pieces. Might just do a dull coat on them. The grill I'll just do a wash on. So there's that tree. And there's the windshield and headlights. I'm leaving those in the bag. 4 nice rubber tires. Same with these, I am going to leave these in the bag. I hope if I get them in the frame. The back tires are a little bit bigger than the front. And this looks like a couple trees here. Let's get this one open. Looks like one of the tires is loose. Wheel back. So that one's loose. There is the frame and the 2 halves of the motor. So there's that. This tree, you have your fender or your wheel wells, the fenders, other side of the radiator, the other tires, the fan. I think this is for the rear suspension. I don't know if you can use those to adjust the height. Another wheel back. Here's the body. It looks like there's a lot of molded parts into the body. So, oh, there goes the other wheel. And that's it for parts. This one, I don't know if it was a mistake or if I hit the lottery, but it came with 2 water slide sets. So, you know, they got some gauges and stuff like that. I can end up using these for other kits. You know how valuable those are. I got some Black Widow stickers. Those are kind of cool. So there's the water slides. And the typical instructions. It's kind of a thick book for 55 pages. The steps might be one piece at a time. I guess I probably should look through and make sure I got all the parts. So there's the other piece, so it's just to lock down the rear. lock down the rear. I think a lot of pieces on here are chrome. Oh, them are for the front suspension. Them are part of the fenders. Not too complicated, just what you want for a 24-hour build. Make sure you actually get done in time. With this one, I think I'll be able to wire the engine. I should have enough time to do that. Maybe while I'm waiting for some paint to dry, I'll end up wiring the engine and doing that. Make my own distributor cap. And then there's some more of the decal placing that you can do. I think for paint, I think I'm going to stick with black look. Let me see what paint I got. So since time is a huge factor in the 24-hour build, of course, is drying time on your paints. Last year I used the 1-coat lacquer and it worked out quite well because it would dry within an hour on touch unless you really soak it. It also dries real well with a hair dryer or setting it by the furnace vents. So I am going to make sure I use lacquer again this year. I think in the body I'm going to go with this lacquer, which is black with really cool metal flake in it. I can't really see from the cap, but there you kind of can see. So I think the body is going to be that. Now the accent colors, I don't know what I'm going to go with. Black and this gold might look really cool. So I might do maybe the top with it or the tonneau cover. I don't know. And maybe red on the seats. It looks cool in the picture. I do not think I'm going to stick with white on anything. I hate painting white on model cars. It always seems yellow and never looks good. So I doubt I'll paint anything white on this car. So it might be black and gold. This color here would look good with some of the decals because some of them have a yellow accent to them. So I got a couple days to think about it, but I'm definitely going to use lacquer. Using enamel paint it's possible, but last time I did a 48-hour job. Last time I did a 48-hour job, I had the enamel paint. I actually had to strip that, and luckily I had a different body from another kit that was exactly the same. I was able to paint that, and I saved the build. I was actually able to finish. So last year was my first time in this group build. I didn't have YouTube at the time, but now I do have YouTube, so hopefully nobody don't mind that I'll also be doing videos, posting those in with the pictures I have, so that way you guys can get both. I have pictures on Facebook, and I'll also have the video and the link. If anybody gets upset about that, which I don't know why you would, just let me know in the comments. PM me on Facebook and say, hey, don't show your YouTube channel on here, even though it's just showing the build, giving you guys more of a view of the car. So I'll be posting, I'll probably do 2 to 3 videos along with the build. Maybe I'll have a time lapse. I do have a GoPro. I might do a time lapse and put on there, but I do want to include everybody who follows me on YouTube as well as on Facebook, so that way I can get everybody involved. I'll post this up a couple days earlier in case anybody wants to join. It is on Facebook, the 14th annual 24-hour build. It will be this weekend. It goes from Saturday at noon till Sunday at noon, and it is supposed to go along with the Rolex 24-hour that's hosted down in Daytona, which if you guys haven't seen it, it is a very good event. I've actually gone there in person once and would love to go again, but And until next time, guys, talk to you then.